Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fundamentals: power, space, and firmware. You need a PSU with 20 to 30% headroom and the right PCIe cables. This prevents instability and shutdowns. Once done, measure case clearance so you choose a GPU that actually fits and won't block airflow. Make sure to update your motherboard BIOS and enable the correct PCIe generation so the card runs at full speed. These first actions remove common bottlenecks and set the stage for better performance. Next, install and optimize the card. Mount the GPU securely and use a support bracket if it sags, because physical stress reduces longevity. Then install the latest drivers from the vendor. Driver updates improve compatibility and performance. Once drivers are stable, use the vendor control panel or MSI afterburner to tune. Raise power target, set a conservative fan curve, and apply small core and memory offsets. These steps balance higher sustained clocks with safe thermals and fewer crashes. Finish by optimizing cooling and validating stability. Improve case airflow by prioritizing front intake and top or rear exhaust to create positive pressure. This lowers GPU temps and allows higher sustained clocks. Run synthetic benchmarks and real games while monitoring temperatures, clock behavior, and visual artifacts to confirm gains. If you encounter crashes or visual glitches, roll back to a previous driver, reduce overclock offsets, or test PSU rails. Those fixes address software and power issues quickly and reliably, so your GPU stays faster and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.